upbeat music playing. Hey, smart shoppers! Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make better purchasing decisions, and sometimes we even make you laugh. Today, we're diving into the wonderful world of 3D printing. On my left, we have the Entina Mini Tina 2, and on my right, the Creality Ender 3v3 SE. Stick around, because this is going to be more entertaining than watching paint dry, or in this case, filament melt. Music fades out. Alright, let's start with the price. Tina 2 here is priced at $169, while Ender 3v3 SE is going for $219. If you're looking to save a few bucks, Tina 2 is your go-to. But hey, if you've got an extra $50 lying around, why not splurge on the Ender? After all, who needs a savings account when you can have a slightly faster 3D printer, right? Speaking of speed, let's see who's winning the race. Tina 2 is like a leisurely Sunday drive. It's speedy for beginners, but Ender 3v3 SE is the Usain Bolt of 3D printers, boasting a blazing 250 millimeters per second. That's right, folks, you could print a small village in the time it takes Tina 2 to print a single house. So if you're the impatient type, Ender 3v3 SE is your new best friend. Now, let's talk about auto leveling. Tina 2 has an intelligent leveling system that can automatically adjust the bed. One-touch leveling. It's so easy, even your grandma could do it. On the other hand, Ender 3v3 SE also features auto-leveling with a CR touch sensor. It's like having a robot butler for your printer. Both are pretty hands-off, so you can sit back, relax, and pretend you're doing something productive. Next up, build volume. Tina 2 is compact. Think of it as the tiny house of 3D printers with a build volume of 100 by 120 by 100 millimeters. Perfect for small projects or if you live in a shoebox apartment. Ender 3v3 SE, however, is the McMansion of 3D printers. It doesn't explicitly mention its build volume, but trust me, it's bigger. So if you're planning to print a life-sized statue of yourself, Ender's got your back. Both these beauties come with dual Z-axis rails for better stability and precision. Tina 2 is great for beginners looking to craft those intricate little details. Ender 3v3 SE takes it up a notch with stable dual Z-axis and Y-axis linear shafts. It's like comparing a tricycle to a Harley Davidson. Both will get you there, but one will do it with a lot more flair. Ease of use. Tina 2 is as user-friendly as it gets. Out of the box, completely assembled, and you can start printing within minutes. Ender 3v3 SE also prides itself on quick assembly, taking just 20 minutes from unboxing to printing. So if you can't assemble IKEA furniture, don't worry. You've got this. Extra features. Tina 2 has a 2.4 inches LCD screen and supports resume printing after power outages. It's like having a second chance at life. Ender 3v3 SE, on the other hand, comes with a powerful Sprite, direct extruder, and auto-filament loading and unloading. It's like the Swiss Army knife of 3D printers. It does everything except cook you dinner. Reviewers have praised the Entina Mini Tina 2 for its top-notch customer service, impressive technology, and ease of use. It's highly recommended for beginners or those upgrading their 3D printing journey. On the other hand, the Creality Ender 3v3 SE is lauded for its print quality, ease of assembly, and speed, making it a great choice for both beginners and experienced users. However, some reviewers have noted issues with its auto-leveling and software, suggesting alternatives for better performance. So there you have it, folks. Entina 2 is perfect for beginners and those on a budget, while Ender 3 V3 SE is for the speed demons and feature fanatics out there. Either way, you can't go wrong. Let us know in the comments which one you'd go for and why. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you don't miss out on any of our future comparisons. Until next time, keep printing and stay smart. Product links are in the description.